Everybody, welcome back to the Hot Years. I'm Rochelle, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, this video is going to be on the Bargain Bee box, but I just have something here that I've made recently, so you can have something to view while I'm doing my introduction here. Okay, so enjoy the view. This is so adorable. So yeah, I haven't done a video in a while. I've been busy doing craft shows, which is something new to me. I've never done before, very time consuming. I also do cosmetic and skincare tutorials on my channel. I think there's a few of them up there. They're also very time consuming to do. I haven't had time to do them. And because that's also one of my passions. I'm licensed cosmetologist since 1984. So I've been doing hair, skin, and makeup all those years. And I worked for, all the major companies out there. So I really know what works, what doesn't work. I've never had Botox or filler. So I just wanted to explain a little bit about my channel and why I'm combining both. So I'm hoping that works out, combining, my love of making jewelry and my other passion, which was my work for many years, which is hair, skin, and makeup. And especially now, since I'm 59 years old and postmenopausal, I thought I would direct everything I've learned all those years for, women that are peri and postmenopausal, like myself. And also, the fact that I've never had Botox or filler, there's, must be something that I've learned all these years that kind of helps with that for mature skin. So let's get started here, and we're going to go over what's in the Bargain Bead box for May-June. Okay, now it's $17.95 per month. It's a very generous box. You get a nice amount of beads, gemstones, jewelry findings, and the quality is just great quality. So let's get started talking about this box. I'm going to pull this away. Here it goes. Ooh, here it goes. Okay. So I'm just going to read a little bit to you from here because my camera is set up differently, so you're not going to really see this. But you can kind of see it. So it says this month's Bargain Bee box is the Navigator. They named it the Navigator. Okay. So let's see here. Let me get this out of the way a little bit more. So it says your beads consist of lapis lazuli and the agate star in this nautical collection. Our favorite piece this month is the Rhinestone Encrusted working compass. Both functional and beautiful. Silvertone findings, sparkling crystals, and handmade porcelain beads complete the collection. And as usual, you get a generous 30% off coupon for their sister store, which is beadboxbargains.com. Okay, and then they also have a monthly contest that you can enter if you make jewelry from the contents of that monthly subscription. You can enter it into a contest. So win a $25 gift card for their sister store. Okay, so that in mind, let's get going. Here's the list. I don't know if I'm going to get that all in. Here's the list. So let's get started with number 1. Here we go. Make sure it's in focus. That looks pretty good. Let's see. I think that's pretty good. Let's see now. So, oh, my fingers are not working today. Number 1. So number 1 is a 40-piece strand, 6x4 mil crystal rondelle beads in opaque red. There we go. Look how pretty they are. They sparkle. Let me get my light here a little better. There we go. These are so pretty. We all know what 6mm rondelle beads look like. This is a beautiful, you know, red, pomegranate red. I also love this red in a lipstick. Great Christmas red also. So, love these. Okay. Number 2. Number 2 is a 7.5 inch strand of 6mm lapis lazuli round gemstone beads. There you go. And these are a little on the matte side. Okay. This is pretty. So we got some red and blue there, sticking with that nautical theme. And number 3. Number 3 is a 30-piece strand, 6mm English cut crystal round beads in marine blue. These are pretty. Look at that. Look at that sparkle. Gorgeous, huh? Look at that cut one there. Really, really, really pretty. Okay, and number 4. It's a 16-inch strand of 3x5 by 2mm crystal rondelle beads in indigo. Oh, look at that. This is going to be a really pretty collection. That is really pretty. And where were we? Number 5? Like I'm asking you, right? Yeah, it's so easy to get off track. Number 5. 24-piece 40mm brass ball head pins. Okay. And these are nice. The head pins with the little balls on the end. We all know what they look like. But they kind of give your jewelry such more of a finished look sometimes than using the other ones. Okay. And number 6. 10-piece strand 8mm cathedral style crystal round beads in red silver. And here is more red for our nautical look. And these are gorgeous. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous beads. Okay. Number 7. Number 7 is a 30-piece strand, 8x6mm crystal rondelle beads in white jade. Look at that. And now we have some white to add to our nautical theme. Okay. Alright, where are we? Number 8. I feel like I'm calling out numbers at bingo. Number 8, 3 sets of 30mm banded toggle clasp. And these are cute. I'll just lay these down so you can see. So those are the little toggle clasp that you get with it, keeping it with the rope theme for the nautical. For our nautical inspired look. There you go. And number 9. Number 9 is a melon beads. Now they call them melon beads because looks a little bluish there on camera, but these are, oh, they look more black in person. But because they look like a little pumpkin, you can't really see the indentation in here, but they just look like little pumpkins. So that's why they call them melon beads. And these are, what are these, ceramic? Porcelain. Yeah. So there we go with that. Okay, number 10. Number 10 is 1 meter 3 mil steel roller jewelry chain. There you go. It's a nice amount of chain here. This is nice. The way, oh, sorry, I'm out of frame. It's a nice amount of chain there. And the holes are nice and big, so you should be able to get, you know, when you're making your jewelry, we should be able to really get through those holes nicely with whatever we want to add in there. And 12. 12 is a 30-piece 5x4 mil rope accent barrel spacer beads. See if I get a little closer here. There's your spacer beads. And again, in keeping with the nautical theme, you know, little rope inspired spacer beads. These are cute. And again, they have some nice weight to them. Okay, nice large enough hole so you can really get, you know, maybe some chain through there, whatever you want to use. Okay, number 13. 13 is a 4-piece 34 by 27 mil rope accent chandelier bindings. Okay. Let's see this here. Look at those. And more rope inspired to keep with the nautical theme. How cute are these? Earrings, can make a necklace, 2 necklaces. These are really going to be fun to work with. We have 14. 14 is a 26 by 59 mil curved chandelier focal. So here's our focal. Look at that, huh? That's a nice focal piece. Okay. And we have 15. 15 is 7-inch 8 mil crackle agate round beads. They're dyed and heated marine blue. So these are really pretty. Look at that. Very nice. $16. 16 is 40 mil lapis lazuli dyed point pendant. There we go. This seems to be one of the popular pendants out there going now. Beautiful color. You got the silver accent on there. It's going to go great with the nautical theme. 17. 17 is a 20-piece 8 mil rope edge bead caps. Let's see. Yeah, let's see the rope edge. There we go. They remind me of hubcaps or something. I don't know why. There you go. You can see the little rope inspired, oops, theme there on the edge to keep with our nautical inspired look. There we go. 18. Okay, get ready for this one. 18 is a 21 by 16 mil real working brass compass with rhinestones. Ta-da! Look at that. And 19. 19 is a 10-piece strand of the Z style agate. agate. Some people call it agate or agate. Z-style agate round beads. There we go. They look like little baseball beads. So, just seeing if that's going to come off now. So, there you go. More white to add to our nautical theme. That is everything. So thank you for taking the time to watch my video. And again, if you find the content helpful on my channel, please subscribe. You can also click the bell to get notifications. And I think that is it. So come back next week, see what I'm up to, see what I'm making. Here's some other jewelry I made. I don't know if you can see it. Is this beautiful? My little rainbow Russian spiral bracelet. And here's another bracelet to go with the necklace I made here. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay. And don't forget to check out my website. It's the reason I'm starting this channel is try to build a business for myself. My website is called thebeadedjewelstore.com. Okay, you'll find my jewelry up there. And I also sell on Poshmark, eBay. Oh, what's the other one? Etsy, of course. Just can't think of them all. And the ring also. This beautiful ring. It is all crystal. It is absolutely gorgeous in person. Just gorgeous. I didn't make the ring. I do have a lot of other things up on my website because I can't make jewelry, you know, fast enough. It's just me doing everything, social media, running all the websites, posting all the pictures and content, and editing videos and pictures. Very time consuming, the hardest thing I've ever done. So thank you again for watching. It's really appreciated that you're taking your time. And if you're a beader, go make some jewelry. Take care. Bye-bye.